Are you doing the video too?
Yes.
How's the video on your camera? It's pretty good.
It's decent. I mean, I'm always impressed, like, it'll even record sound underwater. So, like, we were swimming in the pool and you can swim across and it'll video the whole thing.
Oh, nice.